please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
But I heard the phone ring. Bling line, hello.
Hi, unjani sisi?
Ndiyaphila right?
You're right man, ndiphile ngosakhonto man, sibulela ukugcinwa. Yes, umhle yazi ndasekhaya.
Yes, usiphethe.
And do you know what? Usiphethe.
Usasiphethe.
Usasiphethe.
But ndingakunceda ndini.
Sisam uyafika kwinto zenkonzo ne-religion njalo kanye senje.
Is that why you called me, my
No, I'm just interested. Uba uYesu so umamkele as your personal Lord and Savior. Jeba ekuphethe. Jesus.
Ewe, ngimamkelile. Enkosi.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can never go back anymore. Siswam, ikhona imizuzu yobasi. Actually, ngoku sikule topic, eyiphi yona ngoma uyithandayo wena sentsho yenkonzo? Awusocinga. Okanye noba i-chorus. Okanye noba liculo. Yintoni? Umbhedesho.
Ngithanda ukufa.
Uthini?
Umbhedesho.
Uthini?
Awumazi ukuthi
leno the 2000
siyakudu.
Oh, okay. All right.
Njalo ke babes. Any more questions?
No.
Questioning my Christianity?
No. I'm questioning Christianity yakho.
Test later, but.
Ayo test mama.
But ubufuna ntoni?
Bendifuna i-airtime to start the show.
Oh, okay. Load it and you may begin.
Dadwethu Nkosi noxolo ibe nawe. Ingoneli kuba nawe kwaye ikugubungele phantsi kwempiko zayo zothando. Ikukhusele not wena wedwa but wena nosapho lwakho nezihlobo nezalamane ziphela.
Hallelujah. Amen. Enkosi futhi.
Nawe ngokunjalo kwami sendibekile nyoko.
Nawe ngokunjalo. I hate this job. Hi guys, welcome to the Bling Line with me, Talita Ndima.
Zuko sisa loyiso tamzubela tamzwibiri tamzwai go.
And you, because this show is about you, for you.
Absolutely. And what we did for you guys this week, tell us if you can spot anything new in the studio.
Oh, yes.
We hid something in the studio.
A mystery item.
That we're hoping you guys will pick up.
Before I even ask the question, they were already like, oh, Nancy.
Nah, that's one thing I like about our podcast so much. Like, it personalized. I like it so much. Like, I see a lot of podcasts and I'm just like, it's only very few people that make the effort to make it personalized. So for me, I think just one word of motivation. Anyone who's got a podcast, little things that personalize your podcast, that make it you. I think it goes a very, very long way. It makes the people that know you and the people that watch you really think it's an absolute pleasure. And it just seems like you've put in the effort. You know what I mean? Yeah. So just something to remember. Something that will make it kind of like a little bit personal. Something that will make it a little bit personal. And I think everyone will enjoy it, including you when you're watching.
100%. And you'd be surprised at how people literally see everything, even the smallest things. And then they're like, hi, bo,
absolutely. We've learned that lesson time and time again.
Yes. And we do it for again. You. You. And you. And you too.
Right. You too, Samenzela. Usihle Sixhaso 985 uthi bethuna. Can I ask why does the like button laugh? When you press like, I don't know. I don't know. Do you like your own post on Instagram?
Oh no.
You should. Surely. Self-love.
I haven't posted on Instagram.
Sure, and you haven't, son. I send it to unfollow because nabantu bangapost even unfollow because basilandelela ntoni thina bazosistalker mosaba.
I don't know what to post.
What do you mean?
You posted on pictures of myself. Boring. You know what I look like.
Kawenze ke noba idampu ke chomi. Yenza dumps ke only.
Okay.
Right?
I don't take
January dump. You do. You can't tell me.
Of
you
myself.
take. No, not even of yourself. Of your.
Just of stuff that I take photos of. Oh, now I'm gonna get really unfollowed. Guys, Dylan didn't follow you. Also,
No,
why do I
don't
have
follow her.
100? No, why do I only have 135
Because I'm
followers?
posty. Why are we following you?
No, look, but the people who don't follow me don't know that. I'm posty.
Bayabona phone in Talita and my 2 posts. Bored.
Okay, guys, Dylan didn't follow you, and then I'm gonna start posting. If only I get 1,000 follows, then I'll start.
Okay, Beyonce. Who's it? Let's class.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Wait. When Zuko said Ndizokuqesha, I laughed ngoba he's such a dad. No one gets anything for free. This is students economics.
Oh, hallelujah.
And economics it is Dan Staffel. There's the rule of Dan Staffel. TAAN Staffel.
What's that?
It's an acronym.
Yes, acronym.
There ain't no such thing.
Why
Dan
is it so-
Staffel 1A. Yes, there ain't no such thing such as a free lunch.
Or you could just say that. Hope he's not done stuff.
Don't let them dim your light.
Okay.
Uti, I agree with him though on so many points that he made, but then we are kind of adhering to that law through supporting siblings, especially as the older sibling or the one with a lot of resources.
Okay.
I'm interested though to hear how this law would be applied in blended families. Also, where are the adults if siblings need to support? Hayibo, abazali bahleli phansi batya i-pension zabo. Guys, masiyeke le nto yabaza. Anyways, great show, Yele, as always.
Thank you. No. Abazali brought us here. Sabesiji done stuff. They brought.
Okay, run that back.
No, they brought us here, and not of our own choosing. So they must take care of us.
What?
Did I ask to come here? No. You brought me here. Take care of me.
Okay, so when it's not a privilege, lilungelo kuwe ilifa.
Wefo nini undizise apha. Ndiziswe nguwe apha. Hayibo. It's like inviting someone to your house for the weekend and not feeding them. Oh.
So ni meme.
Wena, you applied for imeme. Dancing okay meme. Mengenyawo.
Indali na 40.
Indali na 40, but I still didn't apply to be here.
No, but can I tell you what the problem is there?
You can't.
Is that this visitor, I like this analogy, this visitor that you've brought
that you have invited
to your house, is there, is sleeping in your bed, they're jumping on your carpets and couches, or rooms on the lounge. And you keep telling them, Chana, hlala phansi pha lounge yena. Ayaza umosha wayithetha into uzakwenza opposite yena because ubomi bakhe umemile ne but ubomi bakhe ubomi akazova ngawe.
So now I'm gonna starve. Now you're gonna starve me. You invited me to your house. Now you're gonna starve me.
So
I could have been somewhere else.
So uzakwenza unothanda ke apha kwami.
Kaloku asithethileyo.
Nansi nendithethayo kaloku mna. I-problem nabazali ne abasifake apha emhlabeni is that fair game. You have to support me if it is out. You brought me here, okay? Tell me what to do. I am your robot. But ingxaki iqala phaa ko-13 anzova ngayo ubusitsho esitsho mina 16 speed dog ngathi iyaqina ngoku uthi you can't tell me what to do.
I hate you.
Yeah, bona ke ngoku uyazikhupha phaa ebumemeni ke ngoku.
No, the thing is, wait. The thing is, you brought me here not knowing what I was going to be like.
Fair.
So however I am like, you must accept it because you roll the dice. We have a sports bet when let's see what can happen. And now it's happening. See to finish, my boy.
So abazali bethu zi-gamblers.
Yes. Because you don't know about you're going to give birth to a criminal, you're going to give birth to a pastor. You don't know.
No one gives birth to a criminal. Yeah?
What do you
People
mean?
give birth to abantu abalungileyo and they decide against your words and your wishes to be a criminal, they use their freedom of choice to step out and become a criminal.
And you know what?
Yayiva ke ngoku?
Sure.
So ke now you're telling me now udecidile wena as umntana oba criminal. Friend ndikuphathele inkawu zakwamna.
Ndisenguwe apha.
Bambene khandi yaboropa. No. In fact, no. Case closed. No.
You can't.
No. Tell it.
Something
Tell it.
Tell
Tell it. I disagree with you.
Yeah,
And
me
I'm
too.
pretty sure you disagree with yourself.
Oh, no. I disagree with you too.
Really? Tell it or no.
Tommy, it's the roll of the dice, bro. Just because you wanted something to go a certain way and it didn't, it doesn't mean now it's hands off. It's still your responsibility.
So at no point are you responsible for it?
Of course, there's a point where I'm responsible.
Okay.
But ndingaza kuwe ndithi sisi laimbile.
Dithi mna sisi izosebenza apha endlini.
This is nguwe apha. Saputya. Let's move on. This is not going to end.
Talita, are you doing this for the viewers?
Uti uprudi sibase, this sibling maintenance should have an age limit. I can't be 36 with no kids by choice, but paying maintenance to a 47-year-old man that decided to drop out of school when we were both presented with the same opportunity.
Nazog.
I'm seriously with Zuko on this one because you'd really be my employee because ain't no way you're entitled to my money when I work so hard.
Come on.
Imagine having a sibling that's picky when it comes to jobs.
You?
Umtu ati andizoklina toilets. Okanye ati andizoba security.
Kodwa ngiyamqayela kodwa naye umntu uhlala complexini flatini 2 bedroom uthi cousin brother yakho mayihlala eminyango yena ingalali isecure ikhona ukuqhela kodwa no but I completely get Prudy
Sana what's the 350 for, Gandhi? Yake yathenga ntoni 350? Yo, I'd also employ my sibling Shem.
Would you employ me? Oh, Gandhi Pimali. Gandhi Pimali. You definitely give me money. Talita uyaphangela, ne? Dinglo mntu. I know they don't want to give me.
This is the thing.
I'm not going to work. What I'm not going to do, I'm not going to take that job. Because what, 40,000 per month? Are they joking? Now I should be getting paid at least 85.
Oh, but guess what? You're getting paid 0 right now.
It's fine, Galoko.
So man pay him. You know why I'm saying I'll give you money? It's because of the person you are right now. But if you were another person,
a completely different person,
maybe it wouldn't go down very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't be dependent on whether or not I'm your brother. It would be dependent on how I behave.
You have to be my brother. Why am I paying you?
No, so Lennon Choi, but you wouldn't be doing it on the principle that I'm your brother.
Yes.
You'd be doing it on the how does he behave.
100%. Ndimaze engumuntu onjani lona. Ungumntu nyani who takes things for granted, who's lazy and who won't do then awa.
So if Nambulelo, if Andikyole nombo. Don't know. If Nambulelo, then cut and crash. But if Dinombulelo, dingathi ndiyazama. Okay.
So Pimali.
Puma every day. Puma so you two up and Puma ndisutile every day.
We happy.
Puma song.
We happy.
Nine nam ndiyakuphi imali so long as Puma song ekseni. Mas Puma song.
Happy mna.
Uyozama. Buye noma ngo10.
10 a.m. Oh. Please read the next one. I have so much to say, but we're never going to finish.
The Lord loves us differently.
Okay.
Imagine the Lord. Wandibona ba Zuko andizokunika umntana ofana noThalita.
Hayibo.
Ipofasazi.
Also, what's wrong with that?
This is up.
Said no one.
Dinalo feature. Absolutely, because you're gonna be told how crazy you are.
Yeah, unalo picture of kanake kuxelela loo nto.
You brought me here. Utsho ngehle namakhwenkwe lounge.
Amakhwenkwe have such a bad rep.
Amakhwenkwe now, man. T. Lavish, uthi sabawell to have my life change. I've been employed formally for the past almost 12 years in a contact center, but hold an honors in organizational psychology.
Damn.
Daily, I pray for my breakthrough, especially my studies especially because my studies were self-funded.
Ooh.
I have reached out to those I think can give me a chance, have networked, done mentorships, and literally gotten on my knees and cried while praying. But akulungi. Things have gotten so bad that I was admitted at a psychiatric hospital in 2023. I promise you, I'm not crazy, Lord.
Not the law.
And booked off work for 5 months, but I'm still holding on because I refuse to be a burden. God, why I desperately need that breakthrough.
That's tough, man.
That's tough, man. That's absolutely tough. And I mean, I speak from a point of, and I believe by breakthroughs is to as funny, right?
No, they don't look the same.
100%,
And they don't come at the same time.
100%, right? And we find ourselves in a waiting room for something at some point in our lives. We're correct. And we always find ourselves, sometimes we find ourselves clapping for those who nanzikat, right?
But figure after us.
Yes. But there's, you know what, I think for me, now I always, ifani ke into yam, and I know that I'm not always correct, but it's something that I do and I think about, right? There was a basic kerk, enyi ikhotman. I'm going to call him ikhotman for the sake of the story. When ikhotman, I think about 10, 11, 12, I think even easily maybe 15 years ago, he had moved from a war-ridden country, kicked out of that country, went to Gup, ended up in Cape Town. And Jebese Kapa, Eikakat. Ekapa. And then Ekapa, Waikakati, I think after a year, he'd managed to save 3,000 rands to just register with his girl. He is a medical doctor now, starting his specialization. I'm not saying about what I am saying is that things change. Izinto ziyaguquka. And one thing that I firmly believe in is that things change when we change also. And yeah, I think I want to leave it there for I don't know, the sake of time, the sake of this conversation.
Yeah.
Things change that when we change, because, and I think the thinking also sometimes needs to change to say, sure, ndifundile, but okay, ufunda kwam also, what is that? What am I owed because ndikelile? And I like the fact that you've tried multiple avenues, T. Lavish. I love that. And look, at the end of the day, a lot of things, just like, I mean, this show, just like a lot of things in life are just persistence.
Yeah.
Persistent consistency. I love that there's a big prayer element in it all. And in that prayer element as well, I guess it's also listening out for what should I do? Because that those prayers are definitely not falling on deaf ears.
Yeah.
But also in saying that, don't be the reason why your prayers aren't answered.
For sure. And I mean, we don't know Uti, and we don't know anything about them, but also don't be afraid to pivot. Sometimes we got our eye on the prize sifunayo so much, but mhlambi, that's not the prize for you.
They just in you corner ezivulekayo.
way, and I was born because ujongele into yi-one.
I hear that.
We certainly hope ba uzoifumana what you need, and we hope that your eyes can also be opened up to maybe other things that are maybe not organizational psychology.
For sure.
That could give you a better opportunity.
For sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Okay, Tilevish, all the best. Uthi Tutuzela Chaka. This episode should have been named Rage Baiting Tamzupela 101 because Sana! Like one sentence in, you were rage baiting. For someone who wasn't trying to be funny.
I didn't think on a topic, man.
Isisu sami sibuhlungu ukunyuba into engapheliyo. Ukunyuba, is it rude? Like you can't say kutatako ba nyuba time.
Kakwazi unyuba time wakho. Masiqala
Nyuba
lapho. Nyuba nina.
Utata wenzani yahleka.
Man, unyuba, I've got a certain thing in my head that the expression unyuba stifling insini, it's like insini seskezweni. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
Which is why kuyilondo leyo uhleki nengahlekisiyo umzalini kuthi anyanyuba. But xa konwatyiwe kuyifamily akuthiwa anyanyuba.
Yeah, true.
It's only when you are laughing at something serious or something that you're not supposed to be laughing at when you start nyubing. So rude. Yeah, ikubuza utshe emzalini hayi good luck ke nono. Yeah, the way I hate being rage baited.
It's
also.
so easy though.
Fair game.
Yeah.
But I suppose no one likes being rage baited.
No. No, it's like, I wish I could get rage baited today.
Yes, you are the crazy rage baiting. Oh, yeah, no, I definitely agree. Rage baiting Tamzupela 101 would have been the best title for that episode, man, because I was in a day. You've been pagati inside la way too much.
All right, your turn.
Nonsegelelo uti. Hello, hey.
Focus.
This siblings maintenance thing. Lenzaba. All right. Lenzaba. Leto chabanisa mindeni straight. Me and my siblings were having a laugh about this whole siblings maintenance thing. Crazy how there are siblings who are actually really thinking of doing this and see no problem about it because it's legal.
You know,
one thing I've learned about people, bro.
Yeah. Ew. Highly do not recommend.
Google like abenendo page for ba urate like abantu lahlambi aliens ne zikwazi ufunda about earth.
Yeah.
Then kuthiwe water, nice. Gravity, oh, very strong. Human beings dingarate 1 star. Humans don't recommend. In fact, the only reason why you don't want to come to Earth as an alien
is because of humans.
Is because of
everything else is great, but
everything else is fantastic. It's fine.
Yeah, humans are crazy. Huh. And buchilo ke wathi uyasithetha isiswati naku ke sokucabanisa mindeni.
Oh, ngiyasithetha and angifuni leto kucabanisa minzeni. You understand? Yeah, no, for sure.
The thing is though, ababantu who are thinking of doing it, they don't know what it entails. They don't know what they need. They don't know ba funeka ube nantoni funeka uthe ndoni. So umuntu uzobana hambe bhamba phinda buye.
For sure.
Because if you're thinking of doing that, you obviously you're trying strength is not very strong.
Got you 100%.
Uthi Dave, do you think Dave ngubrother
ka Mac?
Ka Mac.
Could be.
Uthi okay, Dave in South Africa land. Best part of the discussion. It's giving in Cyril's economy. Love South Africans. In all seriousness, I agree with Putsuko. I'll hire you. I won't give you money for vibes. I told my siblings I'd get them to sign a contract because they love me, opposing this maintenance.
Dave, we legend.
I also think the
Makanika.
good. I also think the good siblings who can rely on regardless. Who you can rely on regardless are those. Sitting on the left is not working for my reading skills.
Oh, sesisitulo because ungakwazi ufunda. Yabona ke trenza indima.
I also think the good siblings who you can rely on regardless are those and have a good relationship.
Are those you have a good relationship maybe?
With? Are less Can you read it?
Okay. I also think the good siblings who you can rely on regardless are those and have a good relationship. Come on, Talita Phone.
Carry on.
Are less likely to even ask. So, his siblings, they tell us his siblings, ne? Ezilungileyo. Okwazi ba urelya kokuxhomekeka ne. Kuthini? Okwazi ba uthembele kuzo noba kwenzeka ntoni ne ube nayo ke nobudlelane obuhle ngaba bangazokucela.
Okay, but
or
thanks.
Yazicima i-tolic services zami.
When do you feel it? I guess. More those that feel entitled and lazy. It's a no for me.
Hell no, not just a no. We're not Dave.
Yes, dude. You're not going to have a great relationship with Court.
Correct. And you're also not going to have a good relationship with umntu ohleli nje uncancana neemali zakho.
Yeah.
Akafuni ukwenza nto. Ufuna ukondliwa nguwe. You can't have a good relationship because you're an user essentially. Yeah. That's what's happening.
For sure.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah. No, shout out Dave.
Good one, Dave.
Sisonke my brother.
Okay.
Uti, hi guys. I've been trying and failing to articulate properly why I disagree with Damzwibiri. I think you're well within your right to say in your household there won't be anyone who doesn't work.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I don't have the English to fully express what I take issue with.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like being a stay-at-home mom has its own difficulties that you seem to overlook. And stay-at-home moms need support instead of being treated as help. Yeah, okay.
Hayi Thego.
Hayi stay-at-home mom sasebenza nje. Stay-at-home mom sasebenza?
What did you say?
I don't remember.
You said stay-at-home mom ngeke sondlule. Sipheke.
Okay.
And she's saying it's like it's treating them like the help. And she's saying that a stay-at-home mom needs more support because okukondlula, nokuklina, nokupheka nabantwana. It's not just, it's a job on its own.
It's fine. Everything within reason, right? Just like if in your house you have Uandi and Uandi is one person and they do so different. So masiba mhlambi in your household no Andi unabantwana bayi-2. You understand? Uandi akenzi yongeni. Right? Masiba ngenye ixesha ba uno Andi uno child minder. Right? Because uAndi uyapheka, uyaklina, uyathina. Awunawuthi unabantwana bayi-2 aba omnye una-3 omnye una-4 ube no-Andi uhlala nabo abantwana full time. It's impossible for them to do everything that they need to do. So everything within reason. And yitsho uba if you are a stay-at-home mom uvuka ngo-6 bese egadini wendlule upheke ukline. No. I think for me it's an demand because these jobs are, being a stay-at-home mom is a job. Let's start there. And just like any other job, ikona into bawuqome lo mntu lo is undercapacitated for all of this thing. They need help. So definitely from that perspective. What I was speaking against is no one is going to sit off a TV the whole day. Awunazi challenges then. That's where I was.
All right, Thego. I hope uvakele ke uDamzwibiri because you are angry, mad at you. If you need to use the bathroom in that 4 hours of running, nenzanjani?
Oh, uyamisa kalo.
And then?
Who use the bathroom, galo?
Because there's bathrooms.
There's bathrooms sometimes on the races.
Sometimes.
Sometimes uyamisa ngetyholo. People bring tissue.
What if you need to make a number 2?
People bring tissue.
Then uphuphele phi?
Ematyholweni. Into.
That doesn't sound good for the environment.
Oh, what? That's natural.
Now people are running past your poop.
Ematyholweni for you also. It's not like you're
What
gonna.
if I go my John?
I
I think about like a highway the other day.
You're gonna
When I was pooping on the highway. Ew.
Also, guys, like in the poop, like in the poop, ne, yeah, ifuna ukwenzeka nyani when you are running, and then you realize, but when I slow down, it doesn't necessarily, and you can probably walk to a poop station. Hi, Landma, I have to finish. Then obviously,
Dude, I needed to poop at the wire so early on in the game.
really,
Oh, man, it's ngena kola manzi ngomba hey. Tifninga.
because I did. So she's so tight. Kungamle ukuthi so-tight angazositaka betayithini laa nto yakho.
And then niphuma nineqhuba.
Ngamle ukuthi so-tight.
I was just like, what? And I kept telling the people at the places, but you know the people who are helping out, but nina niphuphapi. Because you guys are here the whole day.
Kaloku
When do you use the
bayatshintshisana for
bathroom?
that, but also maybe you're out there for maybe 3-4 hours
there's
at
our
a time.
jobs, there's
Bethe ematyholweni.
Ndizabe ndiqonda uba ndisule ngantoni mhlawumbi.
I say I use, but it's only aba bayibaxayo for omnye ufuna ukuthi and like abanye abantu kwi-comrades ukuthi tshiso mncamo awudedele popo. And you're just like,
No, you just
why
pee
is
on yourself.
udedela? Yeah, no, absolutely.
Because you don't want to stop because you've got a PB to chase.
Oh, come on. Guys. You know what? There's something today I was supposed to be running and then I couldn't. And then the phone browsers in Baleganazo. And hey, my sister, that's what happened with my sister. Da, da, da. We usually shoot on this day. Now we're going to shoot on this day. And you know what that guy said? He said to me, Msupela, life comes first. And I was like, yeah.
Because you made me feel so bad about
What?
changing your schedule.
Because I told you about it.
Yeah, and I was just like, oh.
But you can't feel bad about me telling you about it.
No, but I was just like, oh man, I changed his thing, and that was not my intention.
Yeah, 100%. But it's not like I was mad about it. Then explain a number, you know?
This is what's...
Yeah, this is what I need to do. Yeah. No reason to feel bad about that. Yeah. That also definitely doesn't help
Life comes
me.
first. I like that.
Yeah, I was just like, bro, that's incredible. Ulwazi uthi, finally, I get the Sabindi to comment, fam.
Hey, Lwazi, welcome to your first comment. Foo, foo, foo.
Island yama siblings claiming maintenance is crazy. Ucaba yiyo likuchukumisileyo Lwazi.
Comment.
Imagine umuntu osebenza eyedwa kubo and 4 siblings that aren't working ukuthi kuzoba njani. Ndingabomvu ubhozo umzala. Waking up in the morning for work isn't nice, and then we get people who are entitled to our monies. Ngingasona.
Also, Shona, yes, less.
Yeah, no, guys, it's a very contentious thing, man. Too much.
Bangathi bebe bayi-4 siblings ngezinto.
Baziphangela zonke.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too much for anyone to pay, for any one person, bros. Too much for any one person. And I think the one thing that came out in this episode, guys, masizameni ufumana into esithandayo uzenza. Sizawukwazi uba sivuke senze zonto. Singafinishi like, hey, sonke man sithetha into eyi-1 ba. Bro, you know how hard it is. How man, when I like xa uyophangela ufila njani xa uvuka?
I mean, I hate the waking up in the morning, but that's as far as the hate goes.
Sure. Oh, it's actually not, you're actually right. The worst part in this whole thing, kuvula amehlo uphume ebhedini. Otherwise xa sowuklina unuka kamandi apho
friend.
ndizaba-enta ke namhlanje bazogcwala ngomzwakhe.
Going to work. I love going to work.
Hey.
I really do.
Oh.
I really, really do. It's just that kuqalwa early, so mna ndivuka ngo-4. That's crazy news.
Correct.
Noba ulele ngo-7, uvuka
Defroster ke wena.
ngo-4. Noba ulele ngo-7, uvuka ngo-4 is never going to be nice, no matter what happens.
Yeah.
But you get over it. After your shower, you're fine. Uti Madam Thick, nothing kills me like Zuko's crash outs. him saying he'll hire you to do the garden sent me. Why? Especially when he said, no.
no.
No. I hope you guys understand that you guys hold my sanity in your hands.
Yes,
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah, man, iqinisa ngezisanity.
Ngathi siseyini thina close to Jeb.
Shout out, Madam T. Yeah, man. Hey, tense. There's just certain things, man, that rub me up the wrong way, you know?
Chill vibes.
And this being one of them.
Understandably.
Yeah, for sure. Upeli May Uti, my brother, who's been unemployed for almost a year, sent me the link to the sibling maintenance article. Oh, I feel like I'd be those deadbeat dads. Abayek, what? What's happening? Oh, I feel like I'd be those deadbeat dads. Abayek umsebenzi xa bebanjelwa ipap geld. Oh, masilambe song. Oh, Kemdase. Work is scarce, ne? But it's even more scarce when you're looking for a specific position. Oh, when you're looking for a specific position and not umsebenzi noba unjani.
Guys, is that deadbeat dads ziyeka umsebenzi so they don't have to pay in maintenance? For me, it's still in my mind cannot wrap itself around that concept.
That's so hectic.
At all. I'm just like, okay, so wena awuzukwazi ubhatala irent yakho, awuzukwazi ubhatala moto, awuzukwazi uthenga ukutya because you don't want to feed your child. Stop it.
No, it's not because I don't want to feed my child. It's because I don't want to give away money that I would have worked so hard for.
Oh, Fondini, papgeld ayo maleninzi also.
Yeah, funny.
It's not like you getting paid 20,000, kutwa sabi 10,000.
Funny, but ningazoyenza kusebenzela omnye umntu.
Umntu that you made.
One trap kaloku. Mamaki. And so it's not about umntana, it's about mamaki. Gqirhakazi Ilya.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
So now this child has to suffer because wena ufuna la gqirhakazi.
Umntana kazolala engatyanga.
Oh.
Hayi.
So yeka umsebenzi.
Yeah. I know skeyekwa.
Zuko. No. Don't say this like this is what you think. Like this is what you would do.
This is not what I think. But I'm just
trying to
show you the other side, Galoko.
Why?
I'm trying to show you the other side.
Yeah.
I can't say the other side of the logic of these people because there's nothing logical about it.
Utrecha njani? Chomkhosi utrechiwe utrecha njani?
Yeah, yes, but because I told her, but ndifuna imntana.
But then you still did the things that make a child.
It's fine, Kalok.
So if you didn't want a child, you should have strapped up, my boy.
No, okay, Kalok, but the problem yakhe, I can still walk away because the problem yakhe, nguye othe kumu, no. Yeah, yes. Khange ndingatsho uba ndifuna umntana.
Suzenza izinto so ezokwenza umntana if you don't want to.
Oh, Fondini chi, ndizozenza Fondini. Nawe kaloku kufuneka uzikhusele nawe. Why ungahlabi?
Because ndifuna umntana.
Ungafaki loop.
Because ndifuna umntana.
Upambene nangu umntana wami ukhona ke. Andikho ke mina ke. Umntana wami nangu ukhona.
I hate everything.
That's okay. Key.
Uthi Aska. Hayi. Andikutrapanga manyani Zuko, please.
No, really. Look, I mean, it's giving the height of irresponsibility.
Yeah, for sure.
Not irresponsibility. Irresponsibility.
Yeah.
It's giving the height of irresponsibility. It's giving the height of not wanting to be accountable. It's at the all-time high. Siskezo. That's what it is.
Selfish.
Yes. In fact, umuntu onjalo funeka uvele umoyike because akanangqondo
angenza noba yintoni.
Kaphilanga.
And then your poor kid uzabe buza ngotatakhe for the next 10 years and you knowing that irabishe umuntu tatakho, but you can't say that. Yeah. I can't. Some things are not for me. To Auntie Letabo, parents can also claim for maintenance from their kids. Parents. No. You brought me here.
Holy Gondile.
No, mate.
Yes,
Hold
I
on
knew it.
there, little second.
But
you
shouldn't they be
brought
able
me
to?
here.
What happens if I can prove? What happens
What
if I can prove that I've spent 4 million rand on you?
You brought me here.
Okay, sorry. Me for the deadbeat dads. Delete for the deadbeat kids.
I'd rather be a deadbeat kid. I didn't know such exists until my aunt, anymore, claimed for maintenance from my cousin. My cousin had just given birth, newly married, and just moved to a new place, and her mom won the case. The mom could have offered taking care of the baby as the new mother went back to work, but no, kind of mentality. Oh, I can't. Let's end the show. I can't express my emotions anymore.
What's happening?
That is so trash.
That is scary. That is so scary. That is so scary. That's like in deadbeat dad territory.
I feel like it's past deadbeat dad territory.
Yeah, that's dirty, bruh.
Yo.
My question is, how do you look at that person post that judgment?
Exactly.
You don't, in fact.
No. Our relationship's over now. You've broken up with me and you've used the law to do it. But I must just send you money.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, I want to hear what happened in court. You brought me here. Yes, because you brought me here. You had to do it. Ubani chomi? Yo, nelgam.
Yo, khohlakele man amzali.
That's all I'm going to say.
Siblings, like
obviously, lamdu. If you can do that to your child, do you think there's people hanging out with you for vibes? No.
Yeah, wow.
No.
How got you yo?
Oh, God, no, exactly. Unmaliam.
Did he got to hold this?
Never. No. Let's move on.
You think I'm na if lo mntu gama lakhe Marta. Ingathi igama lomntana wami nguMarta ungcolile. Kuze baxoxe ukubiza umntana wami azibize azixelele lo nto leyo.
Uzathi ngumara. Mara.
Letlotlo Ramatsa uthi we are within. Edit 1. While we're talking about sibling financial support, can we also talk about siblings, girls and guys who intentionally get pregnant or get girls pregnant, knowing very well ukuthi abasebenzi.
Oh.
They are broke and they haven't figured their lives out. I mean, is it intent?
Yes, ndifuna umntana.
Gumntu otrepayo.
Akatrepi, ufuna umntana. It's not a trap. I have no job, I have no prospects, but I want a child.
It's a trap, Golo.
Who are you trapping? Your child?
No, you're trapping the person who's giving you the child. That's what a trap is.
No, but sivumelene sobayi-2. Basifuna abantwana siphangele sobayi-2 xa sifuna umntana.
The trepan.
But we've agreed.
Then suddenly those children become the responsibility of the sibling who is working. You're the one expected. Oh, wow.
I don't want.
I'm sorry.
No.
I wouldn't.
That kid's not going to creche. We are homeschooled. Grade R, homeschool. I'll teach you ABCs. I know them.
I'm sorry.
No.
It's easy to
but
talk.
Now this poor baby, it's not his fault.
Okay. I'll tell you what I think after I finish reading this.
All right.
This is
so
a difficult episode for you.
Yes, it really is.
Okay. You're the one who's expected to pay for creche, food, diapers, everything. Meanwhile, they're just there, not doing anything to change the situation. Instead, Balanda is this.
Oh.
And sometimes, because of this unfairness, and favoritism. From some parents out there, abakuzi abantwana babo who keep bringing more kids into the house instead of holding them accountable, I guess.
No. So what I see here is that now there's this kid, the kid is here, ne? And now these people have nothing, right?
Abazali.
And now, yes, abazali.
Yeah.
And I know where my heart is. My heart is feeling for that child. And I don't want to let that child go without. Because that child didn't ask to be here. So yes, I'm going to help out with that kid.
So if that were to happen with me, be deadbeat. Ne? If Royam is deadbeat. Ungamthatha umntana wakho.
100%. Because what? Also, what are you going to teach this child? You're literally going to bring in someone who's going to be worse than you guys were and teach them how to be terrible human being. What are we doing? Oh, ndiyamthatha lo mntana son.
Kirongo mna mnothi andingendawo.
No, awurongwanga. Oh, but
it's easy to think that.
No, it's easy to think
also,
that.
it's also easy
when the child is here,
ngengalo and take you for everything.
But now, do you know what they do?
Again, who's provide? But still, at what point?
Said the deadbeats.
At what point do we draw the line? Where do we draw the line?
This is the thing. I could also take the child and then nenza omnye. I can't keep taking your kids.
Kaloku utsho kaloku ngamafutshane xa umthatha umntana uthi hamba nokwenza omnye ndifuna nibe ne-free time nihambe nokwenza omnye umntana. So, and that it brings me back to the question, Eti, where do you draw the line? Ndiyazazi mna isifo sam mna, I draw the line very close. Oh my darling, you won't walk 3 steps without crossing the line. But the real question is, where do you draw the line?
Look, it's a personal thing where you draw the line. It's up to you. And no one can say about right or you're wrong. Because it's very personal. But my heart just goes out to that kid so much that I'm going to try and save the child.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no way I'm stepping away and doing nothing. That's for sure.
Got you.
Umntana ayambone khono oh. Ekhala ulambile oh, that's so annoying.
Samkele Shange, you reading?
Oh my gosh, this maintenance law is so funny, especially as a younger sister. But you know what? It's even more dangerous.
Fair.
I looked it up immediately. One of the requirements, though, is indigents. Have no income, unable.
Unable. Unable. Yes.
That's what you were looking for the whole time. Unable to work due to illness, disability, or age. What a dangerous law. Oh, okay. We're going to take our siblings. Unable.
Correct. I love it.
What a dangerous law. Did brief research on this immediately and found that courts rarely grant this claim because abantu claiming nonsense. Imagine. Oh, so dangerously funny.
Yeah. It's like ababantu. It's like ababantu baziphosa phambi kwemoto for ref. Fika umuntu ethi
imoto ihamba slow.
Mosudala yabrika imoto xa ukiba izobrika wena. Yeah.
I hope you guys who had plans
English
for your siblings.
Oh, I love English. And that's the thing. And if ucimba uzazenza unable to, mhlawumbe uzavela uzi unable-ishe ke ngokungabikho at all. Yeah. So that word unable makes it so not worth it.
Yeah, 100%. It explains it properly.
Yo, ayigqibile ayibulele. Hey, ngesifune kwaseqaleni ngento weste ngemisino yamo. Nicely done. Thank you so much for that. Nonisa Mkazuli uthi sifuna ukuvela kwi-bling line. Siyitakela isangena episode.
Well, your dreams have come true.
and sifuna uvela kwi-Bling Line siyitakela isangena i-episode ndimtsha apha. I have been catching up on the previous episodes and Bling Lines ndaqonda uba let me hit the notification icon kwenzela uba ndiyibone iseshushu ndikhomente mhlawumbi ndizovela Bling Line.
I can only say today is your
Special shout out Noni girl.
Yes, you see what happens when you do the right thing. Put
Absolutely.
the notification button, gokuvelile. Easy.
Very nice. Very nice. Welcome to it. We hope you're having a good time.
Yeah, welcome.
Akonelanga ke uNonisa. Kuphelela apho.
uNonisa uphinde wathi yu le maintenance indibilisa oko didibana nayo kule media. What do you mean? Kungafuneka ndondle umuntu omdala onezandla zakhe ndizizabalazela. Because akukho mntu ungakwazi kufumana umsebenzi apha. Even if ke awucholi akawucholi akazame elinye icebo azabalaze. Lityala likabani kanti ukuba uzalwe naye unless it's a disabled sibling ndingamondla ngenhliziyo ekhululekileyo. Ukuba ikhona indawo ekhuphisa i-DNA nisexelele fast. Singekafakwa support. Lapho
yakhutshwa apho kukhutshwa khona i-DNA. That's crazy.
Are you like taking it out from yourself? Lapho ndi-varsity student njengoba ndibila nje nayo ne-cent. Kwayileyo kuba uthali engakwazi ukwenza igadi.
Kodwa akacholi msebenzi.
It means akasabalazi ngokwanele.
Oh Noni. Oh.
Cala nindifaka ku-Bling Line. Oh, your dreams have come true times 2 today. If nifaka i-members zodwa, please consider that ndisi-student esingenamali. No, sifaka wonke umuntu baby.
Zonky bonky,
brie. Oh, well done. That was a cool comment.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wandifundisa isiXhosa sana.
Absolutely. Kuthe ngakwazi ukwenza igadi wena.
And I'm sure ndiyakwazi if I put my mount on.
And it's calming. This is the thing.
Oh, ilanga lichu.
Utunofi, I heard this and I don't know, man. I might just cut my nose to spite my face because no.
Uzoyeka no.
Basically, yeah, resign. No. Ahlohle yakhe claim. I now consider me noseless. No, yeah.
I have a face, but I have
yeah. You.
Deadbeat. Nomfi. Ungavumi ngawe sana. Uthi Royal Nolo. Unfortunately, this is true. You have to start with your parents and grandparents. And if they can't support you, you can claim from your siblings as a last resort.
Makulo pay indodla ufuna imali kuyi abantu basile man abasile man bring back the death penalty. No.
State law.
Nyan bro, this thing a court ne. Also, if you go to court, if I go to court and I lay a case against you, you jungle a case and the thing I win. Something must happen to me. We can't just walk out. Something must happen to me. Falele nobody 2 years or 3 years. Because clearly ngondo nayo. When in fact Falele ne lawyers zakho. Kwasani.
Because why would they come and fight?
Bapambene bona.
That's funny. You're right though.
Yeah, if anyone puts a case on anybody and they lose, mavalelo kwasani ayikho lando bebeni. Because you just wasted everyone's time.
Yeah. Kento ngenamsebenzi.
Guys. There's serious things, man, in the world, man. Grandparents. Uyiqala ngaphi lonto le?
Gogo grandparent yakufuneka ecourt.
Hayi meli wam. Makhulu wam ungathi nechweba zakhe. Shut up.
It was rage bait for real.
Oh, man.
And I started it and then I got caught up.
Stuck again also.
Wait. I got caught up in my own rage bait. Guys, I hope we've all learned something about this law. And we're not just going to take our siblings there for nothing.
Yep.
You have to prove but
Unable.
because you're unable to work because we need disability, we are gula or something like that. Not just because ubona umntana kowenu uba nemali and then you're doing whatever it is that you want.
Crazy
So
business.
stop wasting people's times because nizovalela, according to Zuko is putting up a new law in our constitution. But if you lose a case at the courts, uzovalelwa
Check a link in bio for the petition.
Thanks, guys, for joining us today. As per usual, Susan Bona next week. Don't forget.
Love each other.
My heart down. Love each other.
Don't forget to love each other, guys.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Bling Line.